Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to build custom reports in QuickBooks Online Advanced. This is a powerful feature that lets you create tailored reports to track exactly what matters most for your business, whether that's invoice details, customer activity, or payment status. Let's start by navigating to the left side menu and clicking on Reports. This is your hub for all reporting functions in QuickBooks. Once you're there, look at the top of the page and click on the Custom Reports tab. This section is where you'll create and manage all your personalized reports. Now click Create New Report to begin building your custom report from scratch. You'll be prompted to select a base report type. For this tutorial, we're going to choose Invoice as our base type, which gives us a solid foundation for tracking invoice-related data. After selecting Invoice, click Create to open the Report Builder interface. Here's where the customization begins. In the Columns or Rows/Columns section, you'll add the specific data fields you want to see in your report. For an invoice report, add columns like invoice number, invoice date, customer, amount, and status. These fields give you a complete picture of your invoice activity and payment tracking. Next, click on the Filter section. This is crucial for ensuring your report shows exactly what you need. Add a filter for transaction type and set it to equal invoice. This ensures only invoice transactions appear in your report, filtering out other transaction types. You can also add optional filters for date range, specific customers, invoice status like paid or unpaid, or amount thresholds. These filters help you narrow down the data to what's most relevant. Now head to the Sort and Group section. Here you can organize your invoices by customer, date, or status, which makes the report much easier to read and analyze. Grouping by customer, for example, lets you see all invoices for each client in one place. Once you've configured everything, click Run Report to view your customized invoice report with all the criteria you selected. Take a moment to review it and make sure it displays the information you need. If it looks good, click Save As and give your report a name like Custom Invoice Report. Saving it means you can access it anytime without rebuilding it from scratch. Finally, you can export or print the report if you need to share it with your team or use it for further analysis outside of QuickBooks. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.